When looking at campers designed for truck beds, you usually get one of two outcomes: a large, bulky boulder of a mechanism that weighs your truck down and bulges out the sides, or a shell with some willowy interior fabrics. No matter what, you're making sacrifices. However, not everyone likes the same things, and that's where the Flip 90 comes in. From the German-based company called Queensize Camper, in collaboration with ICC Offroad, the Flip 90 tries to do something just a little differently. The days of choice are upon us, and there are many options in nearly every aspect of commercialism nowadays. You can have your cake and eat it too. You can have your compact, lightweight truck bed camper, and a larger walled environment for lounging, sleeping, cooking, or relief too. Weighing in at as little as 550 pounds, depending on the equipment, the Flip 90 is easily one of the lightest truck bed campers we've covered. But that isn't what makes this Floridian vacation so memorable. Its transformation capabilities are. It's as simple as pushing a single button, and the Flip 90 flips open 90 degrees, presenting a hospitable hotelier for two. And the transition back is just as easy. While in driving mode, the whole package measures roughly 7.5 feet tall and has a low center of gravity, so you can drive with a little more assurance. Because of its low-profile form while in drive mode, the whole truck and camper can be shipped in a container. While converted, a doorway leads to a new interior room which can function as a washroom or bathroom. However, there doesn't appear to be a drain on the floor, so you'll need another method of containing the water. A shower pan could do the trick. The Flip 90 doesn't come with a toilet, but the walled interior is perfect for a portable one of your own. There's no tent fabric here, and the Flip 90 is insulated to boot. The extra room could even be used for secondary living space if you so chose to use it as such. The stationary half of this lime-colored live-in houses the near queen-size bed, which can be adjusted into a sofa. When stretched out into a sleeping space, it sits atop the kitchen spread. The kitchen is simply a driver's side slide-out with a gas ceramic cooktop with a gas box and a sink with a 5-gallon water tank hooked up to it. It should be noted that the shower hookup attaches to the same water tank as the sink. Opposite the slide-out is a nearly 12-gallon compressor fridge with a nearly 20-gallon freshwater tank placed just in front of the rear wheel axle. A smaller but relevant advantage of the flip-top style of camper that Queensize Camper and ICC Offroad deliver is that you can easily access whatever you had strapped to the top of it when it flips open. A truck bed camper with a washroom, kitchen, bed, and extra space without a large bulky mess to maneuver is not easily found. If you're interested in the Flip 90, you can get one yourself for around $34,800 or $26,575 if you just want the shell without the kitchen, bed, and shower hookup. There is also an option for a Flip 90 off-road trailer for those that prefer a more traditional method of making camp in comfort. There is nothing wrong with those type of campers if that's what you're looking for. Just take a look at the Solo 01, which packs all the necessities of a caravan into a bulky mobility camper. Since its conception, though, it has evolved into something a bit more livable, made from recyclable metals from buses. Click the card in the top right or the link in the description to see more of this innovation, initially conceived to provide portable housing in India. Suppose you're interested in an innovative take on the slide-out kitchen. In that case, the SylvanSport Vast Adventure travel trailer has one that you can use indoors or out. Just click the card in the top right corner or the link in the description, and you can see how the dining room and sleeping arrangement work by converting while on the road or set up for camp. Here's a hint: double queen-size beds. If you enjoyed this video, you could help us out by hitting the like button, subscribe, and keep up to date on future posts.